Hey guys, we're at Target. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. This vlog is sure to be worse than the others. And I've forgotten how to find Q-tips. Where are Q-tips located? Anyway, I found some cute stuff. Look at these two little trees. I'm getting nighttime cold and flu because I didn't have anything. And I just let the doctor. Got me a good old shot. And a good old Z-pack to help with this sinus infection. So hopefully tomorrow I will start to feel better. Now we gotta find some Q-tips because I'm out. What kind of drugstore stuff is new? Oh, look at these balms from Revlon. Okay. These look cute. This brush set looks nice. I like Sonia Kashuk brushes a lot, but I really want to buy some Pixie. I really shouldn't right now. I'm gonna get some Glow Tonic and Retinol Tonic. I really want to try these liquid fairy lights, but I need to behave because I need to buy Christmas presents and stop buying for myself. It's pretty. I really like the brand. I just need to try more. This little bit is L'Oreal Color Riche. Ooh, somebody used that. Ugh. Honestly, that's why I like to order drugstore stuff. People love to open stuff up. This is Physicians Formula. Brighten and tighten. One of you guys asked me for an affordable advent calendar. The Target one I did last year. I'm not picking up this year because I've had a lot of this stuff. I've used most of the things in here, but this one's a good value. $20. You get a good range of things. Hey guys, I'm home now and I thought we would sit down and do some advent calendars because there's a good chance I'm gonna pass out on the couch. I also thought about doing some like empty product reviews. I'm not sure, I may do that in a minute, but for now let's just open our advent calendars. Day 6 from Lotte London. Looks like another shimmer squad. Sorry that I missed putting advent calendars in day 4 and put them in all yesterday. I was like, luckily, I think it was Christina commented and was like, no advent calendars, I guess we're gonna get 2. And I'm like, oh my god, I was already like exporting last night's vlog, so I stopped it really quick and grabbed the little clip and edited it really quick in there. So that's why it was like randomly sitting, sorry, he's stepping all over the couch. So that's why the advent calendars from day 4 were randomly like right at the front of the video. I just like threw them in there. So that's the little highlighter. That's pretty. It's definitely looks like it's going to be one of those that you can't really see until you turn the light, which that's kind of pretty. This one's like borderline on color, but when I have a self-tan, I can definitely use this one. I need to do some self-tanning. It would make me look a lot less sickly right now. We're going to do the NYX Sugar Trip. And I don't know if you guys got a good look at it yesterday, but it's really cool. It's got like all these different little designs. These are so cute. Look at 5 and 6 close up. 5, the little like animals on them. I don't even know exactly what that's supposed to be. So this is a matte lipstick in the shade Fluff Piece. That's so funny. Fluff Piece right there. Let me swatch it. It's really pretty. It's like that candy pink. Focus on my hand. On to our socks. Got day 6. Looks like it's gonna be a big pair. It's got this bear. This one just looks like the picture. It's that bear. It's so cute. I'm glad that it looks like that because I was just thinking, oh, he's really cute. Little beauty parcel. And day 6 is right here. this is the Inika Loose Mineral Blush in Blooming Nude. It's got a cute packaging. I may put this one in the giveaway for you guys because I just organized my blushes and I only kept one loose blush because I don't really use them. And I feel like somebody might get more use out of it than me. And then we've got Look Fantastic. Let's see where day 6 is. Day 6 is, ooh, all the way down here. Oh, this one's got some cushion. This is the Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil. So it's a little glass bottle. Ooh, it's a nice thin oil. I'll definitely try that out. So I'll keep this one for myself and then add that blush to my giveaway. Hey guys, so it's just a little bit later. It's not even been like 20 minutes. And I got a package from Ulta, so I thought I would show you. There's one product in here I just had to get. Like as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, that's so interesting. I've seen nothing like that. Come to find out, there was a similar product maybe like a year ago that a few people reviewed, but I think this is really cool. So I will probably put this in. The stuff I showed you guys yesterday was some new things and I might do like a full face, but I feel like this would be super fun. This is the Flesh Flip Book and it's makeup papers. So this looks really different. It says, take your glow on the go. Simply tear off a sheet infused with blush, bronzer, or highlight and sweep it on your face, cheeks, collarbones, and legs. And I was like, what is this sorcery? I have to know. So it's this little booklet and it's got pages in it. So I am going to try this out. Let me know in the comments below. Would you like a video all about just this one product? Or would you like to see this integrated into trying several new products? I almost want to just like do a video about this because I feel like it's interesting and I could try it like with makeup and without. I don't know, but I'm super curious about that. I just got the OGX Biotin and Collagen shampoo and conditioner. That's really all I got, just those couple of things. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog now. That way it's gonna be a little shorter and I can go ahead and edit and put it up earlier for you guys. And that way I can get to bed early, and then tomorrow I might wake up and go over those product empties with you because I work fairly late tomorrow night, so I feel like I can just wake up with you guys, go about my morning, show you advent calendars and empty products. But there's gonna be a lot of products that I can really tell you, like I finished them 100%, if they're good or not, if they're worth it. Mr. Menders really wants to say hey. Oh. Why are you so angry? Why are you so angry, boy? Okay, here you go. Okay, he's mad at me now. He's bit me. So thank you guys for watching Vlogmas Day 6. I hope you enjoyed it, even though it was brief. And I will see you guys tomorrow with a whole new day of Vlogmas. And hopefully I will be feeling better and have some better energy in that video. And maybe even have some makeup on. That would be great. So thank you guys for watching again. I love you and I will see you in my next one. Bye.